Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making safety absolute. Switch off the breaker and confirm 0 voltage with a tester. Once done, expose the junctions and label live, neutral, and earth conductors at both sockets so you don't mix wires later. Make sure to strip exactly 8-10 mm of insulation for reliable contact. Too little and connections fail, too much and you risk shorts. You should have connectors and a continuity tester handy. Prepare the switches by loosening terminals so you can insert wires quickly and securely. You now form the core wiring. Feed the permanent live conductor into each switch common or loop terminal so both switches have power. Then attach each switch's switched live to the respective socket live terminal, ensuring the switched conductor is isolated from neutral. Once connected, join the neutral conductors for both sockets in a single neutral connector so return currents flow safely. Make sure earth conductors remain continuous and bonded to each metal box or socket earth terminal. Tighten all terminals, tug gently to test security. You finish by restoring power and testing. Operate each switch and confirm its associated socket is energized only when switched on. If something fails, switch off power and recheck live, switched live and neutral connections and terminal tightness. A common fault is swapped live and neutral. Once tests pass, secure all connectors inside the back box, fit the switch and socket faceplates, and label the breaker. Make sure earth continuity is verified and no bare conductors are exposed before leaving the installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.